hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda's Head. I am Rhonda, hear me roar. Oops, my shirt's ripped up on purpose. There's a tiger in my shirt. There's a tiger on my shirt. I hope you're feeling great today or having a day of your choice. This is my Ipsy Glam bag, which will not change. We love having an Ipsy Glam bag. There's something outside. Let's see what we have here. We have a beautiful bag. This is very cool design. And then we have, oh, this is nice. The Professional Tight and Toned Pore Refining AHA and PHA Toning Foam. All right, this is beat to hell. Let's take a look. And this is a full-size item. I would think it's from Benefit. Benefit is good stuff. So that's nice to have. We like that. That's very cool. I don't think that was an add-on, because I would not have bought that as an add-on. Let's see what we've got in here. We've got a card, and it says, step into your power. Step into your power. And it just tells you stuff about your arches of your brows. And it introduces the icon box, which is the replacement to the Boxy Luxe and the Ipsy X. And I just got my last Boxy Luxe, and I'm sad about it because I love my Boxy Luxes. And this is from RMS Beauty. It's a luminizing powder. And let's check it out. Check it out. It looks very nice. It's in a very nice package. Oh, look at it. I don't know what it's supposed to, I think it's like a highlighter because it's luminizing, but I'm not gonna touch it. I'm not touching that with a 10-foot pole because I've got enough highlighters. So we got a highlighter, we got a toner. Next up we have, I don't know what this is. It's wrapped in plastic. I wish we had a card. And it says BFC E. Let me try taking the plastic off. Because I don't know what this is. This is a mystery. We all stand alone. I hear you call my name, and it feels like home. Not a great singer, just enthusiastic. Just ask my people at the regular karaoke I go to. But we all root each other on, whether we're great at it or not. But it's more fun to sing something well than not, when you get all the real good love. Oh, it is something. It's a mascara. It's a little mascara. And I pulled the top of it off. So it's a little tiny mascara. I normally don't like to open mascaras because then you gotta use them, but this could go in my purse. It's nice and small. I don't know who that's by. Then we have a set and prep spray, and it's a setting spray from, I don't know. It's hard to tell. Let me get my magnifying glass and see if I can read it. From Sophia and Mabel. That's nice. That's a little dainty thing. And I'm not going to unwrap it because it is nicely sealed. Then we have from Grown Alchemist, one of my favorite companies. We have an age repair intensive moisturizer, and this is a small sample size. Most of the time their stuff is really large and in charge. And it's just a cute little metal tube. Very nice. So this was $13. We got a full-size toner. We got a tiny mascara. We got a face powder. We got a setting spray. And we got a moisturizer. So that's pretty daggone good. They always say this is like up to a $70 value. I guess they're including the cost of the bag. And the bag is super cute. It's got like a little Grecian woman on there. Very cool. Well, this is a good bag. It's a nice travel size stuff, which I always enjoy. I hope you have enjoyed this. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice. And we will see you super soon. Bye.